Press the bell icon to never miss a video from Testbook.
Hey guys, thank you for joining with us today. We are here to give you a step-by-step preparation tips on NABARD grade A and B. So as you guys know that the NABARD grade A and B examination is coming near. So we have with us Sridhar sir, who is going to help us out on step-by-step process on clearing the various sections of NABARD prelims examination.
There have been some major changes in the exam pattern of NABARD. The economic and social issues section and the agriculture and rural development section. Weightage of both these sections has been increased. And quant and reasoning sections will be tough this year because the weightage of these sections has been decreased.
Okay, sir, I would like to know what are the chances of our users getting cleared the prelims examination and going to the mains?
NABARD has suggested the ratio of 1:25. That means only 4 out of 100 people will be clearing NABARD prelims.
Okay.
So it is a very tough exam. The competitive level is very high. So start preparing very well for this exam.
Okay, so as you guys know, there are 7 sections in the examination, namely the English section, reasoning section, quantitative aptitude section, as well as general awareness, computer awareness, economic and social issues, and rural and agricultural development. So these are the 7 main subjects of the prelims examination. So let us get to it one by one. So we'll start with the English language first.
In English language section, reading comprehension is the most important chapter. Will have different types of topics like agriculture and rural development, banking and social and economic issues. You need to have a good speed and accuracy to attempt this section. You also need to prepare for closed test, error spotting and parajumbles.
Okay, so you suggest that there are 10 to 15 questions that come from the reading comprehension section. So users need to prepare for the reading comprehension section very efficiently so that 10 to 15 marks can be easily put into your bag. What are the books that can be used by our users for the English language?
Objective General English by S.P. Bakshi and Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension by Arun Sharma.
So that is for the English language section. And coming to the quantitative aptitude section, how do we go about for the preparation of quantitative aptitude?
Quantitative aptitude will have data interpretation as the most important topic. It will have bar graphs, line graphs and some pie charts too. Along with it, you also need to prepare for percentages, ratio and proportion and average, which will help you with data interpretation.
Okay.
Then you have mensuration, where you need all the formulas. We can refer to the description given below where we have the article with all the major formulas required for mensuration.
Okay, so are there any books that users can refer to for quantitative aptitude?
For quantitative aptitude, you can refer Quantitative Aptitude by Arun Sharma.
So that is for the quantitative aptitude section. And let us talk about the reasoning section now. So any tips on how to prepare for reasoning section for NABARD exam?
In reasoning section, arrangements is the most important topic. 8 to 10 marks will be coming from that topic. Okay. It will have linear arrangement, sitting arrangement and a mix of blood relations too to make it complex. So prepare for it well.
Some books that our users can refer for reasoning section, sir?
Yeah, for reasoning you should refer Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal.
So all the names of the books will also be provided in the description. Okay, so coming to the general awareness section now, is it going to be a little different from the other government examinations?
General awareness will have mostly banking related and finance awareness related questions. Along with it, you need to prepare static GK and current affairs too. You can download a current affairs app for current affairs, as well as you can refer the static GK section on a textbook blog to know more about static GK.
Fine. So that was about the general awareness section. So the other 3 sections in the examination, like the computer awareness or economic and social issues and the agriculture and rural development part, these 3 are kind of a really new subject for users who are not really preparing for NABARD examination. Who are preparing for the other examinations, they don't generally ask questions in these sections. So let us know how to prepare for computer awareness first.
Computer awareness will not be too tricky. It will be only basic. So you need to prepare computer topology, computer networking, then hardware, software, operating systems, basic questions like what is memory, and you will be fine. This section is the easiest section if you prepare well.
So computer awareness might be a piece of cake. let us come to the section called as the economic and social issues. Now this may seem like a very new subject because other than RBI, I don't think any other examinations asked these type of questions in the examination. So how do we prepare for economic and social issues?
Economic and social issues can be split into two parts: Indian economy and Indian social issues. In Indian economy, you should know terms like privatization, globalization, inflation and poverty and the trends in them. For social issues, you must prepare well for the social justice structure of India, as well as migration, urbanization and gender issues that take place in India, and also the schemes implemented by the government to uplift the socially backward strata of the society.
Okay, so basic sociology is what we need to prepare for economic and social issues. And so the last and final section in the prelims examination is this agriculture and rural development part. Okay, I would like to ask if students who come from technical background, how is it going to be difficult, or people or students who are not from the agricultural background, how different is it going to be for them to prepare for this section?
You must know that most of the students who are appearing for NABARD are not from agricultural background. So it is going to be fair enough competition. Do not fear about agriculture and rural development. It will consist of only the basic questions. In agriculture, you must know the basic terminology like agronomy, fisheries, animal husbandry, then cropping systems, irrigation, farming, and various topics like ecology and climate changes. Rural development, you must know how much percentage of Indian population resides in the rural areas. You must know the demographics, the issues faced by the people residing in the rural areas.
We have such kind of articles on our blog. The link to all the articles mentioned here will be in the description below. I would like to ask some books that our users can use for agriculture and rural development, as well as economic and social issues.
For agriculture, you can refer Agriculture at a Glance by R.K. Sharma. And for rural development, you can refer Rural Development of Indian Context by GPH Books. For economic and social issues, Indian Economy by Ramesh Singh. For social issues, I would suggest Social Problems in India by Ram Ahuja.
And last final question about it is, do we have to study all the books all together, or there are some few chapters only that we have to refer, because there is not much time left, 2 months are left. So is it possible for users to read all those books, or some part of it that needs to be read?
Whole books need not to be prepared. You can refer the detailed NABARD syllabus given in the description below. You can read it and you can prepare only the topics which have been listed in that article.
Okay, so that will be great. So this was the how to prepare for NABARD grade A and B prelims examination. Thank you for joining us on this session, and don't forget to subscribe to our Testbooks channel and press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will be notified whenever we publish a new video. Also, if you have any doubts and queries, you can put it in the description below, or you can also share your doubts and talk to other users on our Testbook Discuss platform. The link will be in the description, and thank you for joining with us, and have a good time.
Press the bell icon to never miss a video from Testbook.